I'm going to slide this up on my cutting board because it's very flimsy. I've got a double wrapped layer. And the only reason, like I said, that I'm doing this is so I can cook it later. But I got everything done, and all I got to do is, tear the chicken apart and throw it all in the pot and let it simmer. Yum. So at this stage, I am cleaning up my mess. My dishes are done that I used, and I've got everything just waiting in the wings for when I'm ready to do it. So I've turned the chicken down to low to simmer. I have my stuff on wax paper, which I can put up to avoid my cats getting it. So I'm going to stick that in the oven just to have it protected and not get dust and stuff in it. And then I'm going to come back, and after the chicken's done in a couple of hours, like I said, you can do the chicken in 45 minutes, but I'm having guests later. I'm going to come back and do it later, and I'll do the rest of this video. Show you how it looks. Anyway, if you're impatient and you're like, I don't really care to see the rest of this video or the part 2, which I'm going to have to do because I'm going to go take a nap, but this nap's not going to take itself. You know what I'm saying? I've got it on simmer. I'm waiting a few hours to disassemble the chicken, which I'm going to let cook for hours and hours, but could be done in 45 minutes on a high. I'm cooking on low at simmer so I can walk away and do other stuff. But take the chicken out of the broth on a plate or a cutting board. Disassemble it with your hands. Get rid of all the skin. The skin does not go back into the chicken and dumplings. Take all the white meat, dark meat, minus the bones, put it to the side for a few minutes. Add your dumplings. Let the dumplings cook till they start puffing out. Add the chicken back in. You don't want to leave the chicken out for a really long time because it will grow bacteria on it. But I'm talking probably 10, 15 minutes on a high boil to cook those noodles at the last minute. Or you can add the chicken in and the dumplings in and just turn it on low and let it simmer for a really long time, which is, somewhat what I might do. All right, we'll see you on part 2. You can see what it looks like.